Welcome back, guys. Part 2 of the Honda Rebel build. Today we're going to be hardtailing the frame. And this is the hardtail kit that I got. It's from VooDoo Vintage. And this is what it's going to look like when it's done. So as you can see, we're getting rid of this big old top tube right here so that we can fit more tanks. All right, let's take a closer look at what we got. TIG welded. Axle plates are nice and simple. New top tube, rear motor mounts, neck gusset, and also comes with a shipping brace so hardtail doesn't bend in when shipping. Oh yeah, let's strip the bike, take the motor out, take everything out, and then prep the frame for hardtail. Let's get to it. All right, just got the motor out. Next, we're gonna be cutting the frame in half. I printed the instructions from VooDoo Vintage right here. So for the bottom, we're gonna be cutting right here and over there. And then for the top, we're gonna be cutting right here and then take all of this out. Yeah, that's the plan. All right, this is what's left of the original frame. This is what we're keeping. I gotta take off all of this right here. Cut a little bit shorter, clean this up, drill some holes. Next, I'm gonna take out the front end.
One eternity later.
All right, this is the mock-up of what it's gonna look like when it's all welded up. Gonna put the motor back into the frame. That way I can use it kind of like a jig. So I can install the rear motor mounts. Bye-bye, baby. All right, just finished welding the frame together. Next, I'm gonna put the motor back in and start mocking everything up. All right, here's the current status of the Rebel. This is my road trip gas tank. I just threw it on so I can see how it's gonna look with a gas tank on. This gas tank is a mid-tunnel. I wanna get a different tank where this one sits up here, so the tank will be a little bit lower. But for now, just a little visual for me to see. I'm planning to run a 16 front wheel, so I can run a 5x16 front tire. That way it'll look nice and bulky. And then for the rear, I'm gonna get a Firestone car tire that's a 5/16/15. It's gonna look pretty bulky as well. And then for the neck brace, instead of using this one that comes with the kit, it's supposed to look like this. I'm gonna brace it a different way. I'm gonna do a country bar similar to a shovel head frame. I like that look better. But yeah, bike is coming along. I think the hardest part is getting the hardtail done. Everything else should be pretty easy. And then this bike, I'm also planning to do a foot clutch and jockey shift. And then for the electronics, I'm gonna find an antique oil tank or something like that, and then gut it and hide all the electronics inside. But yeah, this is the current status of the bike. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.